And the last one na pinaka-budget friendly smartphone na ating tinignan is the Xiaomi, which is the Redmi A3. So ito ang pinagmamalaki naman nila dito. They have two variants din, by the way, na pwede kayong pagpilian. Meron tong 64GB for 3,299, 3GB na yung RAM nun, 128GB storage for 3,899 naman. So ayun, may options ka kung gusto mo ng mas malaki yung storage and syempre yung mas mababa. Kung pang-backup lang, okay na 64. Kung gusto mo na medyo mas mataas, 128GB, konti lang naman yung idadagdag mo. Ang ganda ng build nitong device na to, though wala tayong naabutan na physical unit or live demo unit, pero ayan, kita naman dito kasi 100% ito naman yung makukuha ninyo in terms of design. Refine in stylish design yung pinagmamalaki nila to. It means that in terms of budget-friendly na device, premium look. Pwede mo na rin ma-enjoy dito yung magandang display as per Xiaomi because they have the 6.71 inches with 90Hz in terms of the refresh rate. So, mas fluid yung scrolling mo, gaming, video watching. Perfect siya actually for daily entertainment. May AI dual camera system na rin to. Kaya malinaw, maganda yung kuha mo for photos and videos lalo na with smart enhancement as per Xiaomi. Siyempre, back with massive 5,000 mAh battery capacity na rin to. Kaya kahit na all day use mo siya, nothing to worry. Hindi ka basta-basta malulobat. At usapang security naman, meron siyang fingerprint sensor and face unlock. So, ayun, kung if ever na mas mabilis yung gusto mong pag-open ng device, ito kay Xiaomi meron din siya. So, yun, for as low as 3,299, makukuha mo na ang stylish design, smooth display, all-day battery, smart cameras, and security features na meron kay Redmi A3 ng Xiaomi.